If classic Myrtle Beach charm and spectacular and private ocean surroundings are for you, then it doesn't get better than this true mid-century coastal home. Just 200 steps to the beach, in one of its oldest established residential areas, this 4-bedroom, 3-bath treasure, surrounded by mature landscaping, boasts an open floor plan, clean lines, and abundant light from its many windows. The recently remodeled kitchen features a farm sink, glass subway tile backsplash, new stainless steel appliances, quartz countertops, and custom cabinetry. Other special qualities include hardwood floors throughout, recessed lighting, a sizable enclosed sun porch, a large 240 square foot rear deck, and an inviting living room with a reclaimed wood shiplap accent wall. A cozy 4th bedroom below with an ensuite bath and attached sitting area, under-house parking, and a spacious backyard large enough for a pool make this the ideal classic beach home. This fantastic neighborhood is just minutes to restaurants, entertainment, golf, shopping, the Intracoastal Waterway, and all that Myrtle Beach has to offer. Don't miss this rare opportunity. Call today.